All right, guys, welcome back. We have a quick install right now for the Bronco sport owners out there. We have the C-pillar Topography, and this is going to be a very quick install. We've already gone ahead and wiped this off with that alcohol water mix, 20% alcohol, 80% water, or you can do 30% alcohol, 70% water. That is up to you. You just want to make sure that you have a good clean surface to put that graphic onto there. And what we are going to do, we're just going to put 2 pieces of tape here and there. That is up to you if you want to put them there, if you want to put them higher. You can also do a top hinge, but I wouldn't quite recommend that because we do want this to stay as stationary as possible. So I'm going to do the hinge method that we typically do. We have the transfer paper that is fighting me just a little bit, but that's totally fine. We just want to make sure that we peel real slow, that it doesn't leave anything behind. This will be a nice little touch to your Bronco. Help set you apart from someone else you might know with one, or one that you might see on the road. And of course, as always, you do want to make sure you have clean hands with this and that you're doing this in a closed area, because I am currently touching the adhesive right now, but it's not going to give me a problem. Right now I am going to hold this above or away from the body so that way it's not touching yet, because I do want this to lay without having any stress. So I'm going to get this top portion down, make sure that it is secure, and now I'm going to just let this relax. And it should fall exactly where I had it. You don't want to use a squeegee quite yet. Just want to make sure you have this edge locked in. Give that another once over just in case. Now you can start working from that void down. This way you're not moving anything around that you don't want to. Press out all that air. And on to the reveal. And there we have it. I think with that gloss background to it, it looks really cool. Definitely very different than what I've seen out on the road. And anything that we've really done with this piece, I would probably say that I like this the most. So if you guys, of course, have any questions, this will be going up on our website. You can give us a call. We could probably do this in a different color for you. Anything that you might be looking forward to discuss with us, maybe to get you setting off and looking a little bit different than everybody else. We can definitely help you out with that. So this concludes this install for today. If you guys, of course, have any questions, please give us a call. We're here from 9 to 6, Monday through Friday, and we do respond to emails as well. Thank you.